How to subtract in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data, and one of its most useful features is the ability to perform calculations on your data. In this post, we will show you how to subtract in Google Sheets using two different methods: the operator and the sum function. Method 1, using the operator. The operator is a simple and straightforward way to subtract in Google Sheets. You can copy the formula down to other cells to perform the same subtraction operation on other values. Method 2, using the sum function. The sum function is a more advanced way to subtract in Google Sheets. Subtracting in Google Sheets is a straightforward process that can be done using either the operator or the sum function. The operator is a simple way to subtract two values, while the sum function is a more advanced way to subtract multiple values. By following the steps outlined in this post, you can easily subtract in Google Sheets and perform calculations on your data with ease. That's all.